Understanding Trail of Breadcrumbs, a guide to figurative language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms and phrases, with a special focus on the phrase, trail of breadcrumbs. This expression is a wonderful example of how English speakers use imagery from tales and daily life to convey complex ideas in a few words. Let's unravel the meaning behind this phrase and see how it's used in various contexts. The phrase, trail of breadcrumbs, originates from the famous fairy tale Hansel and Gretel by the brothers Grimm. In the story, Hansel drops a trail of breadcrumbs to create a path back home from deep within the forest. This image beautifully captures the idea of leaving a series of small clues or signs that lead to a certain outcome or reveal a path through a complex situation. In modern usage, a trail of breadcrumbs refers to a series of small hints or pieces of information that guide someone towards understanding a complex issue or solving a problem. Unlike Hansel and Gretel's literal breadcrumbs, these are figurative clues. They can be anything from subtle hints in a conversation, steps in a complex task, to digital markers in a website navigation system. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. In detective novels, the author might leave a trail of breadcrumbs for the reader to guess the culprit. A teacher may provide a trail of breadcrumbs in the form of hints to help students solve a difficult math problem. Websites use breadcrumb navigation, where each web page you visit is a breadcrumb, helping you trace your path back through the website sections. Understanding the context is crucial when encountering or using the phrase, trail of breadcrumbs. It's all about the small, connecting pieces of information that, when put together, guide you to a larger understanding or solution. Without context, these breadcrumbs might seem insignificant or unrelated. And that's a wrap on our journey exploring the phrase, trail of breadcrumbs. This expression is a perfect example of the richness of the English language and how it can paint vivid pictures with just a few words. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll start noticing the little breadcrumbs in your daily life and conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English language adventure.